Good day! Before I start, I want to thank you, my dear viewers, for using my videos for Science Grade 4. I am Teacher Aga. I am a master teacher, currently teaching special science class here in Alcantara, Romblon. Kung bago po pa lang kayo sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and like, then hit that notification bell for more updated video lessons. Today our topic is about sounds. The title, How Sound Travel in Different Materials or in Different Media. This is for Science Grade 4, Quarter 3. Our learning competency is to describe how light, sound, and heat travel. Our learning objectives: identify some ways by which sound travels, realize that sound can travel in different materials, and perform various activities showing how sound travels in different materials. Meron tayong CAP. C stands for cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. Sound is created through vibrations in the air, which causes the auditory sensation in your ear, making you able to hear the noises that we do. For example, if you clap, the sound that you hear goes from the movement of your hands through the waves in the air, causing the hairs inside the ear to vibrate. So, ibig sabihin noon na ang tunog ay napuproduce sa pamamagitan ng vibrations. Now, meron tayo ditong exercise. So, tell whether the object produces a sound or don't. Strong whistling wind. Yes. Plucking a guitar. Yes. A phone that is ringing. Yes. Kasi kapag yung phone naman, hindi naman nagre-ring, nakalapag lang sa mesa, kung saan pa man nakalapag, hindi naman yun ipoproduce ng sound. Cars inside the garage. So, nakagarahin na yung kotse. Napoproduce ba siya ng sound? Hindi. A vase. Of course not. Sounds are everywhere. When objects make sound, they move back and forth. So, the illustration shows how an object makes sound by moving back and forth. This movement is called vibration. Before and after doing the activity, make sure to follow the reminders or instructions below. In each set of activities, you will find out how sound travels in different materials. Do what is asked in each set of activities, then answer the questions after. At the title of our activity, How do sound travel in solid materials? What you need: a stick at least 1 foot long, a small pail half filled with water, 2 pieces medium-sized stones, a table or a chair preferably made of wood or metal, drums or big cans when drums are not available, with sticks. Find a table or a chair. With the use of a stick, gently tap the table or the chair. What did you hear? Do this for at least 5 times with different strengths of tapping. Try from gentle to hard tap. Observe the sound you produced with each tap. Now read the questions based from the activity. Answer each with yes or no. Did you hear a clear sound when you tapped the table or chair which is solid with a stick? What happened to the sound when you tapped it gently? Did you hear a soft sound? What happened to the sound when you tapped it hard? Did you hear a loud sound? Did sound travel in solid? From this activity, what generalization can you make? Put a check mark before the number if it is true, X if not. Sound can travel in solid materials. Sound can travel fast in all solid materials in which particles are very close to each other. Slow-moving waves are produced when soft sounds are produced. When the vibration is fast, or when you produce loud sound, then you also produce fast-moving waves. Activity 2. How do sound travel in liquid? Tap 2 medium-sized stones in a pail half filled with water. Be careful not to spill the water when you tap the stones. Observe what happens when the stones hit each other. Can you hear a sound? Do this for at least 5 times. Now, answer each question with yes or no. Were you able to produce sound underwater when you struck or hit 2 stones together? Were you able to hear the sound produced underwater? Based from the activity, can sounds travel in water? Activity 3. How do sound travel in air or gases? Now, I want you to do this in an open area with a partner. Let your partner stay at least 10 meters away from you. Strike a drum. If drums are not available, you can use a big can with a stick. Can both of you hear the sound it made? Strike the drum with different strength. Try it from a gentle tap to a hard tap. Take note of the sound that is produced. Questions. Did the sound coming from the drum can reach the person away from it? Can sound travel in air faster than water and solids? Let's learn some more. Some sounds that we hear travel through solids. Sound waves travel very fast through solids. Since the particles are so close together, sound vibrations can travel quickly. Example, if you put your ear on the table and someone taps on the table with their pencil, you can hear the tapping through the table. So, ibig sabihin noon, yung mga molecules kasi, yung mga particles kasi sa isang solid ay dikit-dikit. They are so close together. Kasi mabilis mag-travel doon ang sound. Some sounds that we hear travel through water. Sound waves travel a little faster through water than through the air, since the particles are closer in water than air. Sound vibrations can travel faster in water. So when compared to solids, yung particles or molecules sa solid ay dikit-dikit. Ngayon naman sa liquid ay hindi ganon kadikit ang mga molecules. So therefore, mas mabagal ang pag-travel ng sound sa liquid compared sa solid na mas mabilis. So parang sa panahon ngayon, may social distancing kapag sa liquid. Medyo malayo sa isa't isa ang mga molecules, kaya medyo mabagal yung pag-travel ng sound sa liquid. Most of the sounds we hear are traveling through gases such as air. Sound travels slowly through the air The particles in air are far apart, so it takes longer for them to vibrate and pass on the vibrations, so sound travels slowly in air. Example, sound from a bell, horn, or alarm clock are traveling through the air. So kung kanina sa solid ay dikit-dikit ang mga molecules, sa liquid ay medyo malayo-layo ng konti, kaya medyo mabagal ang pag-travel ng sound sa liquid. Ngayon naman sa gases, lalong mas malalayo. Mas malalayo ang mga molecules sa isa't isa kapag ikaw ay tingnan mo kapag nasa open area ka, mas matagal doon mag-travel yung sound. Kaya medyo mabagal nating nare-receive ang message kapag nasa air. Ganyan. Because of the molecules, they are far apart from each other.
Drop it.